Emily. She came by earlier and I showed her the marketplace, and I thought she could tell us what she thought about it and how it might help her with what she does.
Yeah, it's just really cool to find out something like this exists. We use crypto in our business. I have a farm, and I also run a bunch of market days in New Hampshire where we have a bunch of agorism going on. We have a whole bunch of different businesses. We've got coffee, teas, foods, massage, all different things going on, and everyone wants to take crypto, and we just would love to see more options for that to happen, more ways for people to reach out and get our products shipped to them. And so I'm really interested in checking it out and sending all my vendors that come to our market days to use it. So
Yeah, she actually told me that about 70% of her payments are made in crypto.
yeah, I think I have like 20 different coins, and we're trying to make a pig coin for our farm, which would be like 0.01 of a pig. So
Okay.
look for that in the future. We're excited.
Awesome.
Thank you.
No problem.